finding and opening a recipe in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the recipe catalog, how to search and filter, and how version history, edit, and clone keep your changes safe. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Recipe List from your dashboard. This is your full recipe catalog, every product you make with its style, current version, and status at a glance. Use the search bar to find a recipe by name or filter by beverage type or style category. Click a recipe and I'll open its full bill of materials, process steps, and target numbers. Every recipe keeps a version history. Each hop change, yeast swap, or process tweak saves as a new version, so you can always see what changed and when. To make a change without affecting past batches, click Edit to create a new version instead of overwriting the original. Need a similar recipe for a new seasonal? Click Clone and I'll start a new one with the same bill of materials, ready to adjust. From here, you've got an open recipe with its current version and history visible, ready to schedule a run or start a variant without ever losing track of what was actually brewed.